How to customize WordPress theme. So first, go to your WordPress account, and then you can just click on or hover the mouse over appearance here, and then click on themes. Now here you just need to select your theme. For example, this is mine, and then you can just open it. Now click on customize site. Okay, now you can see my theme here. So if you want to customize it, you can just click on styles here, the left side. Then here you can start customizing it using these options here. So if you want to change the style here, browse style, you can just select here this one or this one. So you can see. Now if you want to change the colors, background, shadows, something like that, you can just select the color here. If you want to change the color of the text, you can select red here. As you can see, you can just play around with this however you want and start customizing it however you want. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.